Hello friends, I'm a tattooist from Gurgaon, and in this video I'm going to share 10 armband tattoos I have made from my shop. And armband tattoos are very much in trend, especially among men, and they look very impressive when they placed on forearm in a ring form. And in this video, stay with me till the end of this video. I'll be sharing details also, like how much time it took me to make that particular design and about the meaning of the armband tattoos as well. And so stay with me till the end of this video. And friends, if you like my channel, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Friends, this is the most recent armband tattoo I have made, and client came with an idea that he is looking for a detailed armband tattoo on the forearm below the elbow, and he had some idea in his mind like the kind of design he is looking for. So I sat with him and we together worked this design for him, and he added 2 names as well, very small names in the design. I don't have a video of this particular tattoo, but I remember this client very well walking to my shop, and he was very clear and very positive that he is looking for like 2 black plain stripes on his forearm. And it's always like a pleasure to work with the positive clients, and when they have some idea the kind of work they are looking for. I remember this tattoo and this client very well. Friends, this is another design by me. It took me approximate like 6 hours machine time to make this tattoo. And forearm tattoos, armband tattoos mainly represents strength. But when we add different components to the design, that meaning changes. Like triangle in this design symbolizes faith. So it's like a combination of strength and faith. Armband tattoo. This is an armband tattoo with mace design and also has a naga spear in it. And the meaning of the design is the only way out is through. So come out like a spear. Another armband tattoo with some details in it. Simple armband tattoo with word unbreakable. This kind of work is very much in trend these days. Now this is Buddhist mantra, made it in a band form. This is again very old work by me, an armband with a tiger face in it. This client again came to me for another tattoo. This is again very old tattoo by me, a name written in a barbed wire in a band form. Shading armband tattoos. And again a simple black armband tattoo. So friends, that's it for now. and do subscribe to my channel. See you again for more with more tattoos. Thank you. Thanks for watching.